My name is Danila Karasev and I am going to 7th grade. This project is named Rescue Line. The challenge is to create a robot with a color sensor that will precisely track a black line. While you're tracing the line, the robot sees green squares. If the robot sees the green square, the robot should turn right and left based on where the green square is located. Also, there will be fake green squares from the other side of black line. If you see fake green squares, you should ignore them and move on. I used encoders in this challenge to turn and track how much I have traveled. Encoders is a sensor in the motor that will track the movement of the motor precisely, not to be dependent on the battery charge. I also used two color sensors mounted on multi-mixer. I used two color sensors because I wanted to make the color sensing more precise. Last but not least, I used multi-mixer to give different addresses to the two color sensors, because if you have same sensors on your robot, the robot will give one address to the two color sensors. I have worked on this project for 1 week. Before that, I learned about new methods to code my robot. Before I started programming, I designed a flowchart to visualize basic logic of my code. I encountered problems while I was working on this project. First, I encountered a problem with counting encoders. I used this problem by finding out that I had wrong encoder formula. Also, I encountered a problem with detecting green squares. I resolved this problem by making my robot more precise. If I have a chance to expand on this project in the future, I'd like to make my line tracing more precise.
You want to turn it and do a different turn? So that was for the right turn. This will be a left turn. And then you do one of the false ones as well. So like you said, when the green's on the other side, it's a false green.